Hi, this is Shruti, Business Development Manager working in Smart Data. I have been working for past 5 years and I got an opportunity to travel overseas in year 2012 to Australia for business meetings and client visits. It was my first travel overseas and it was company's first female representative to our Sydney office. It was an opportunity which came during those years when I was learning new things and learning new opportunities, and it was a 3 month stay where I got to interact with number of clients. I got to represent my company over there. The exposure was good in terms of how to interact with the world, globalization, the time zone difference, understand the client perspective from a real time view, and understand how they want to interact with you, what they want from you. And from communication perspective, it was a very good exposure for me. I did my work well, the targets were good which were given to me. It was a good opportunity, and then in year 2013 I again got an opportunity to travel overseas to Australia for different client meetings and perspectives. So overall my journey in Smart Data has been a really good in terms of the exposure, in terms of opportunities and challenges, and our CEO is very closely working with our team in terms of client interactions, in terms of how you have to deal with the world, in terms of how the customer centricity has to be maintained. And overall, after these opportunities, now I have got an opportunity to apply for the US visa in 2014, where I was given a lot of guidance from our seniors, from our persons who have already traveled to States. And now I have an opportunity to travel during this year to US. So probably these are one of the good opportunities where our CEO, our seniors, they foresee your talents, your capabilities, and then you get an opportunity to extend your career and as well as your grow professionally as well as personally. So I would recommend you all that whatever is given to you in Smart Data, the seniors understand you, they know what is good for you. So I really trust them and try to grow on that path, because that will be really beneficial for you. Thank you.